Going up.
Yeah, actually these might not be original. Oh, they are somewhat original.
The other tower. 17, 16, 15, 15's
14.
jammed.
Oh, these are different.
It's like touch sensitive,
Whoa.
but like not really touch sensitive.
These are new installs, I think. No, these are mods.
My buttons are a little jammed.
These are really clicky. I kind of like it actually.
This one.
Oh, yeah.
Did you unjam it?
A little bit.
Not really.
Oh, that was an insane drop. These are fun.
I like fast elevators.
That is insane acceleration. Here we are.
Should we take it for another ride?
Yes. 14?
Yeah. What? Oh. There we go. Dude, my buttons are jammed. I'm coming over on this side. That's bad.
Whoa.
Whoa. Really felt it that time, right? I didn't really feel it the first time. Did it have like a weird start? Because like the door didn't close all the way and then it just kind of shot up.
I like these more than the others.
Yeah, they're fun, like you said. Holiday party.
You want to go to 2?
Sure.
Oh, 2's locked.
I can't even press 2.
Let's see. Listen to this guy. All these buttons are jammed. Okay.
Just get out. This is a nice block. This is a color.
Map over here. The one behind you? Wait, can you hold it for a second? I'm just gonna take a photo of these. Alright. You wanna end?
Oops. That one?
Yeah.
That was pretty nice.
That beep sounds like it's dying.
Yeah. Should we just get out of here?
Yeah. So
These are fun.
There's a pyramid. That's it.